Can you ditch the phone and still roll with Mint Mobile? Traditionally, Mint Mobile has always been about SIM cards and actual phones, but what if you don't want a phone? Let's explore some alternative ways to use Mint Mobile. One option, and probably the most straightforward, is a tablet. Insert a Mint Mobile SIM card into a tablet with cellular capabilities. Now you can browse the web, stream videos, check emails, and even use apps that support voice calls and text. You can get data-only plans for tablets. Mint Mobile offers specific data-only plans that are designed for tablets and other data-driven devices. These plans bypass the need for traditional talk or text minutes, focusing solely on data usage, making for a pretty cost-effective solution. Another option is using a hotspot. You can use your Mint Mobile SIM card in a mobile hotspot device. This creates a Wi-Fi network that you can connect your laptop, tablet, or other devices to, allowing you to get online on multiple devices. But what about smartwatches? Some smartwatches offer their cellular connection built in, so you may be able to find a smartwatch compatible with Mint Mobile, which allows you to make calls, send texts, and use data directly from your wrist, without actually owning a phone. However, there are limitations. First and foremost, Mint Mobile's primary focus is on mobile phone service. While these alternative methods work, compatibility might be limited also. You might experience issues if you're trying to receive calls and texts on devices that aren't officially designed for it. But there are certainly benefits, whether it's simply to have a cheaper service since you are already using alternative devices, or less screen time with your phone. Ultimately, using Mint Mobile without a traditional phone is possible, giving you flexibility and potential cost savings.